Isaac Newton was one of the greatest minds in history, a true pioneer in the fields of physics and mathematics. Born in 1642 in Woolsthorpe, England, Newton showed an early interest in science and math, and his passion for these subjects only grew as he got older. Newton's groundbreaking work in physics and mathematics was driven by a deep curiosity about the natural world. He was always asking questions, always trying to understand how things worked. This curiosity led him to make some of the most important discoveries in the history of science. Perhaps Newton's most famous discovery was his law of universal gravitation. This law states that every object in the universe is attracted to every other object in the universe, with a force that is proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This law explained why objects fall to the ground, why planets orbit the sun, and much more. Newton was also interested in the behavior of light, and he discovered that it could be separated into its component colors by passing it through a prism. He also developed the first reflecting telescope, which revolutionized astronomy by allowing astronomers to see further into space than ever before. But Newton was not just a brilliant scientist. He was also a complicated and sometimes difficult person. He had a long-standing feud with fellow scientist Robert Hooke, which started when Hooke claimed that he had discovered the law of universal gravitation before Newton did. The two men exchanged heated letters for years, and the feud only ended with Hooke's death. Despite his flaws, Isaac Newton's contributions to science and mathematics are immeasurable. His laws of motion and universal gravitation have been used for centuries to understand the behavior of the physical world, and his insights into light and optics have paved the way for countless discoveries in these fields. Newton truly was a giant of science, and his legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists and thinkers to this day.